Okay, fam, back in the house. Now, the products I have is, the simple, basic products that most people start out with when they're trying to do this whole Minoxidil beard journey, you know what I mean? So, first and foremost, I got the 10,000 mcg biotin pills, you know what I mean? This one, serving size is 1 a day. You can take 2 a day. Be mindful, you know what I'm saying? You might want to consult with your doctor or whatever, because it can make you break out if you overdo it on these. Now, you ain't gonna die or anything like that, but too much of anything is bad for you, so be mindful. 10,000 is really all you need. 10 to 15,000, you know what I'm saying, is really all you need. So don't overdo it, but this is what you need. This is what's gonna make those vellus hairs, you know what I mean, darken up. As you can see, now that I'm inside, you can see it a little bit more on both sides, where what once was vellus is now starting to turn terminal, you know what I mean? But hey, moving on, gotta get the collagen, you know what I mean? The collagen is what's gonna produce the hair for you and strengthen it as well. It's kind of like biotin in a way, but this is what actually helps produce the hair in your face. Your body got this inside it, and most of the time, this is what you're lacking if you can't produce any hair on your face, you know what I mean? Your collagen is off, you know what I mean? So get you some collagen pills. This right here, the serving size on this is 6 tablets a day. That's crazy. 1 serving size is 6 tablets. Now, I might bust 3 in the morning and then 3 at night just to knock it all out, you know what I'm saying? But, taking 6 tablets at once, and these mugs is big, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all real quick. Y'all don't believe me. Let me go and grab one out. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's like a small egg size. So I gotta take 6 of these? Woo-wee. Oh no, player. Don't have me on the toilet. But anyway, yes, get you some collagen, like I said. Walmart, Amazon, Sam's Club. This is where I got mine, Sam's Club, you know what I mean? And that's it right there. You can read it. I know it's backwards, but you can spell super. You know what it look like. You know how to spell collagen, vitamin C and biotin. Yeah, get you some, Sam's Club. And this, you could probably get it at Sam's Club, Walmart, Target, you name it, Walgreens, whatever. So get your pill game together, get your pill game up, and you'll be on your way to growing some beard hairs. You feel me? But anyway, moving on. Yes, beard oil I got is the black Jamaican castor oil, you know what I'm saying? That's what it looked like, 100% organic. Got this from Amazon. I also have the regular black castor oil, but I interchange it. That way I don't use one more than the other one, and I can savor a lot of it, you know what I mean? It really don't matter what type of black castor oil you use. Now, the Jamaican black castor oil is known to have a little bit more oomph in it, you know what I mean, to help produce some hairs that you wouldn't normally produce using just regular stuff, you know what I mean? This got more vitamin stuff in it, and hey, go check it out, get you some, and you'll be grateful for it, you know what I mean? Now, moving on. Next, I have the derma roller, you know what I mean? Everybody knows about the derma roller nowadays, you know what I mean? I just found out about it a few weeks ago, you know what I mean? Being that this is my 13th week, a derma roller, you know what I mean? This is the 0.5 mm. I know y'all can see those little prickly things right there, you know what I'm saying? The pins that's in it. I don't know how many pin counts it is, you know what I mean? But it works. You don't have to press it all the way on your face. Just put it on your face, go up, down, sideways, diagonal, both ways, all over your face where you want the hair to grow. But yes, I do that twice a week. I do mine Tuesdays and Fridays. So tomorrow or today, you know what I mean? Depending on when you're watching this video, it's time for me to do my derma roll session. So yes, I do that twice a week. I do my Minoxidil treatment, and this is the foam right here. I didn't start out with the foam. I started with the liquid, but the reason I transitioned was because it takes the liquid a lot longer to dry, you know what I mean? But I work for myself, so I ain't really got to worry about all that, you know what I mean? But still, I was kind of, want something to, dry a little quicker, because if I get up in the morning and put it on, go to the gym, people going to be looking at me like, why my face greasy all the time? And I know people ain't worried about it, but still, though, it's that conscious thing, you know what I mean? But the lesson is, don't care what other people think about you at the end of the day, but hey, it's what you feel and how you feel about yourself. And I don't like my face being greasy when I go outside. So I started using the foam because it dries in like 15 minutes or less, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you got heat, on your face and it's hot outside. So you put this on, walk outside, and you're gonna get it taken care of, you know what I mean? So get you some foam Minoxidil, especially if you got a 9 to 5 and you're supposed to apply this twice a day. once in the morning, once at night, you know what I'm saying? However you like to do it. Some people even put it on just once a day at nighttime, and they say that that works too, but I'm just doing what the bottle says, even though this is for hair. This is not a beard product. People are just using it for their beard, and the twice a day method is most definitely for your hair on your scalp. You know what I mean? So you could probably get away with just applying this once a day, you know, on your face, because the hair is different. But hey, I do mine twice a day, just like majority of everybody else, you know what I'm saying? But hey, check out the foam. This is the Equate brand, you know what I'm saying? Walmart always be coming through, you know what I'm saying? But this is the Equate brand, 5%. And yeah, get you some. Tell me what you think. Comment down below what kind you use, you know what I'm saying? Now, moving on to what I'm transitioning to. From the foam, this is my last bottle of foam. It's probably about 50% done, you know what I'm saying? There's still something in there, you know what I mean? It's kind of on the heavy side, but I'm almost done. And when I apply it, I don't even use the cap no more because of what I'm transitioning to. I don't even use the cap no more. I just put it in my hand, bam, you know, like face wash. Put it on there and make sure everything is covered. Now, with all that being said, I've decided to go back to the liquid Kirkland brand, what I started out with. I only had one bottle and it lasted me about, you know, I think it was like a month supply, just one bottle, you know what I mean? And yes, I'm going back to it. Why? Because first and foremost, I work for myself, so I don't have to worry about any of the, you know, people looking at me too long, you know what I'm saying? And I can wait until after I leave the gym, come back home and apply it when I get done with the gym in the morning time, you know what I'm saying? So that's good. That's, you know, taken care of. But yes, I had to go back to the liquid version, and I got the 6-month supply, you know what I mean? That's 6 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sir. And the little tubey thing right there, the little I hear that it works a lot better, you know what I mean, because it's liquid and it takes a little longer for it to dry up. So it's on your face longer, you know what I mean? And I've seen the results. I've seen most of the people that say it work quick and get the fastest results from Minoxidil have used the liquid. Now, it's not the same for everybody. Somebody on the other end might be like, no, the foam work quick for me. And I hear you, brother. Yes, I hear you. But on the other side of the results and the research that I've done, majority of the people is on the Kirkland brand liquid, you know what I mean? Now, I get it. If this is what it takes for you, you know what I'm saying, to start your journey and know it dries quick or whatever, and you can go out into the world, you know, and not have to worry about people looking at you crazy from the greasiness, hey, I feel you. Start with that, especially if you're on my stage, you know what I'm saying, my level, where you got a lot of skin still showing where it should be beard, you know what I mean? I get you. Start with the foam and, you know, live your life and do your routine twice a day, and you good with everything else I just showed y'all with the products. But like I said, from my research, the Kirkland brand, read it, Kirkland, yes. Extra strength for men, yes. The Kirkland brand is known to work a lot quicker than some of these other brands, you know, other than like Rogaine, the more expensive brands. But hey, you can't beat it. I got this for like $30. It was honestly a little cheaper than $30. It was like right around $30. Let's just say that. $30, 6-month supply, you know what I mean? Got great reviews on Amazon. I had to make sure I read the reviews and look at the stars and all of that stuff, because hey, people ain't gonna lie when it comes to something that they buying. Trust me, they ain't lying, you feel me? But hey, to each his own. Everybody got their reasons for why they use the type that they use, you know what I mean? This is just what I'm dealing with, in my opinion, and my research. Hey, y'all can take it and run with it and try it. In a minute, y'all about to see what I'm talking about, you know what I mean? I'm about to switch over to this, and hopefully all of this start filling in, you know what I mean, even more, because it's crawling across the face. I know y'all see it from baby, you know what I mean, from the baby. I'll throw a picture up here. Yes, sir, you know what I mean? But hey, I'm not gonna hold y'all too much longer, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to ramble, so hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.